Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Kumusta po kayo? Lalong-lalo na yung mga nasa parte ng Southern Philippines, sa Mindanao at saka sa Visayas region, sa Eastern Visayas. Mukhang bukas na po darating itong si Tropical Storm Tino, Ito po yung mga announcement ng walang pasok. So classes for Monday, November 3, 2025 have been suspended in some areas due to expected effects of Tropical Storm Tino. Hindi lang po November 3, dalawang araw po yung mga announcement, November 3 at saka November 4. Tingnan po natin. Ito sa Region 6, Western Visayas, sa Aklan. Yung Malay, all levels, public and private, from November 3 to 5 until further notice po. School heads and administrators are advised to implement flexible learning modalities. So 3 araw na yun sa kanila. To ensure educational continuity during the suspension period. So yan po ay sa Malay, Aklan, November 3 to 5, wala po silang pasok. Ito pa sa New Washington, all levels, public and private until November 3. Sa Antique naman, tingnan po natin yung sa Antique. Ito, Libertad, no physical classes, all levels, public and private until November 5. Appropriate alternative learning modalities shall be implemented. Ito sa Capiz, sa Rojas City, no face-to-face classes, all levels, public and private, until November 4. Classes will shift to alternative learning modes. Ito, may mga schools din na nag-announce ng no classes. Sa Aklan State University, no face-to-face classes on November 3 to 4. Asynchronous classes and flexible work arrangement to be adopted. Sa West Visayas State University, no face-to-face classes, all levels until further notice. Learning will continue through mediated modalities as synchronous or asynchronous, and faculty members are reminded to submit their work accomplishment and attendance WAA reports. The College of Medicine will proceed with online or mediated learning blocks. Other health programs will continue the related learning experience and clinical duties. Ito naman sa Samar, nag-announce yung Governor of Samar na Executive Order number 21-2025. An order declaring the suspension of classes in all levels in public and private schools, and suspension of work in all government offices in the province of Samar on November 3 to November 4, 2025 due to Tropical Storm Tino. Ito sa Municipality of Calibo, Aklan. Executive Order number 65, series of 2025. Nagsuspend din sila ng face-to-face classes and other face-to-face school activities in all levels, both public and private, within the territorial jurisdiction of the Municipality of Calibo on November 3 and 4, 2025 due to the expected effects of Tropical Cyclone Kalmaigi or Tino and the shoreline. Ito sa Leyte, Eastern Visayas, yung Leyte Normal University, wala po silang pasok sa November 3 or 4. Classes shall be conducted in asynchronous mode from Monday until Wednesday to ensure the safety of students and faculty. Employees are requested to report on site on Monday, November 3 to secure office belongings and make necessary work arrangements. So beginning Tuesday, November 3, all employees shall adopt a work from home arrangement. This excludes members of the LNU DRRM committee and security personnel who are required to remain on site for continuous monitoring and emergency response operations. Ito naman sa Southern Leyte, Municipality of San Ricardo nag-announce na no classes and all levels November 3 and 4. So kanina may example tayo sa Leyte. So more likely yung Leyte November 3 and 4 ay walang pasok in all levels. Ganon din sa Southern Leyte. Ito nag-announce din sa Southern Leyte State University, wala ding pasok sa November 3 and 4 dahil dito kay Tino. Ito sa Giwan Eastern Samar, so yung Typhoon Tino is expected to make landfall over Giwan Eastern Samar tomorrow afternoon. So dahil dito yung SSCTI ay nag-declare na Monday at saka Tuesday wala silang pasok. The storm is expected to bring severe winds and it traverses Visayas and northern Palawan before emerging over the West Philippine Sea on Wednesday morning or afternoon. As per Weather Advisory number 4 released by Pag-asa DOST, a heavy rainfall outlook has been raised over Leyte due to the incoming typhoon. So, pag sa Giwan, yung yung forecast ng Pag-asa, takot na yung mga taga Leyte. Marami kasi yung malaki kasi yung possibility na ito ay lumiliko papuntang Tacloban City. Ito yung naranasan nila sa panahon ng Yolanda. Sana hindi po ito maulit. So far mga ka-Jesnabs, yun ang nakalap ko sa mga SOCMED sa social media. Yun po yung mga kumakalat na walang pasok. At alam na ng ating mga kababayan kung merong advisory sa kanilang mga lugar. Sa akin na lang ay ingat po. Ingat po kayo mga ka-Jesnabs. Yung walang mga typhoon signal dyan, pwede po kayong mag-monitor sa akin. Baka mamaya ay maglalabas ulit ako ng update nitong walang mga pasok. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.